Hey guys, Prof here. Today I've got a video for you that I recorded quite some time ago before I even got my DSLR. It's just something I made back when I was on many of the keyboard forums to show the difference in sound volume before and after some mods, also comparing it to some mice. There's this common misconception that blues are really loud, when inherently they aren't all that louder than a brown or red switch, because most of the noise comes from people bottoming out and making it go clack. I show the difference between a normal blue switch and one with O-rings, which is considerably quieter, as well as comparing to a mouse and a trackball. Right away, just let me apologize for the quality of the audio and the video, but this is footage I already had, and I do think it does prove its point and just give you guys some sort of reference.